You guys are never gonna believe what this is. Yo, it's a Series 1. I'm gonna lose my mind. It's actually 2 elevators. Wait, which one am I at? Oh, this. Or maybe that's not elevators. Oh, this is just like the Lawrence Harvard Communication Building. It is just like it. Fan made some weird noises. Blah. Good motor, please. Fan's funny. There's more elevators, I don't care. I'm not doing more Series 1s to waste my battery life. The cab is nice, it's not typical for a Series 1. It's like the Lawrence Herbert building too. Door's really in for a joyride. And I'm not gonna bother watching it close because I have limited space. That's an older... Actually, okay, scratch that.